Wildfires, an unstoppable force of nature, can devastate homes, communities, and ecosystems within moments. Right now, Los Angeles and surrounding areas are in the grip of a wildfire crisis, with countless lives disrupted. In this video, we'll discuss what wildfires are, the current state of the wildfires in the United States, survival strategies for various situations, and essential do's and don'ts during and after the fire. Your survival could depend on what you learn here. Wildfires are uncontained fires that spread rapidly, consuming vegetation and sometimes entire neighborhoods. They are fueled by dry conditions, strong winds, and high temperatures, conditions often found in California's wildfire season. Did you know that over 85% of wildfires are caused by human activities such as unattended campfires, cigarette butts, or sparks from equipment? Nature contributes too, through lightning strikes or volcanic activity. Understanding how they ignite and spread is crucial to surviving them. Los Angeles is currently battling multiple wildfires, including the Palisades and Eaton fires. The Palisades fire has grown to 27 square miles, displacing thousands of families and causing widespread destruction. In northern Los Angeles County, the Eaton fire has claimed 5 lives and destroyed nearly 1,000 structures. Emergency responders are working around the clock, but the situation remains dangerous. Evacuations continue, and air quality is hazardous across the region. Wildfires can ignite and spread without warning, especially if you live in a fire-prone area. Preparation is your best defense. Here's how you can be ready before the flames get too close. Preparation steps. 1. Create a defensible space. Clear at least 30 feet around your home by removing dry leaves, branches, and flammable materials. This space can slow the fire's spread. 2. Assemble an emergency kit. Pack essentials like water, non-perishable food, first aid supplies, a flashlight, batteries, important documents, and extra clothing. Don't forget masks to protect against smoke inhalation. 3. Prepare an evacuation plan. Identify at least 2 evacuation routes from your area. Share this plan with your family and practice it regularly. 4. Stay informed. Keep an eye on local news, weather updates, and wildfire alerts. Sign up for emergency notifications if your area offers them. 5. Fireproof your home. Install ember-resistant vents, clear gutters of debris, and ensure your roof is made of fire-resistant materials. 6. Preload your car. Have your vehicle fueled and ready to go, with essentials packed in case you need to evacuate quickly. 7. Stay connected. Make sure your phone is charged and have backup batteries or a power bank ready. Keep a list of emergency contacts handy. Equally important is knowing what not to do before a wildfire. First, don't wait for the fire to get close before preparing. Waiting until the last minute can leave you scrambling and vulnerable. Second, don't rely solely on one exit plan. Fires can block roads unexpectedly. Always have a backup route. Third, avoid storing flammable items near your home. Things like firewood, propane tanks, and dry vegetation should be kept far from your house. Fourth, don't neglect pets and livestock. Make arrangements for their evacuation as part of your overall plan. Lastly, avoid overlooking small repairs. Gaps in siding, loose roof tiles, or unsealed vents can allow embers to enter your home. By preparing today, you gain precious time to act and protect yourself and your loved ones when a wildfire strikes. If you find yourself unable to evacuate, close all windows, doors, and vents to prevent embers from entering. Turn off gas lines and flammable appliances. Fill sinks and bathtubs with water to assist in extinguishing small fires. Stay in an interior room away from windows and doors. Place wet towels under door cracks to keep smoke out. Keep communication devices charged and close to you for emergency updates. In a vehicle, your focus should be on survival. Park in an area free of vegetation such as a gravel lot or a roadway. Close all windows and vents. Lie low on the vehicle floor and cover yourself with a blanket or jacket. Call emergency services to share your exact location and wait for instructions. Do not attempt to drive through thick smoke. It reduces visibility and can lead to accidents. Being caught outdoors is one of the riskiest scenarios. Move downhill or towards areas with little vegetation such as rocky terrain. Seek a low-lying area like a ditch or depression and lie face down. Cover your body with soil, leaves, or any non-flammable material. Protect your respiratory system by using a cloth or mask to cover your nose and mouth. During a wildfire, survival can depend on avoiding these critical mistakes. 1. Delaying evacuation. Waiting until the last moment to evacuate can leave you trapped. Heed evacuation orders immediately. 2. Driving through flames. Roads surrounded by fire can be deadly, with tires melting and visibility dropping to zero. 3. Ignoring air quality warnings. Wildfire smoke contains harmful toxins. Stay indoors and use an N95 mask if you must go outside. 4. Using water or gas lines without checking safety. Both may be compromised during a fire. Verify their safety before use. And 5. Attempting to save belongings. Your life is worth more than material possessions. Leave them behind if necessary. Once the fire has passed, your next steps are just as important. Wait for clearance. Do not return home until authorities say it's safe. Inspect your property carefully. Check for structural damage, unstable trees, or hot embers. Wear protective clothing. Long sleeves, gloves, and sturdy shoes can protect you from hazards. Dispose of contaminated food and water. Smoke and heat can render food unsafe, and water sources may be tainted. Post-fire environments are filled with hidden dangers. 1. Avoid ash and debris without protection. Wildfire ash can contain toxic chemicals. Always wear gloves and a mask when handling debris. 2. Do not touch downed power lines. They may still be live. Report them to authorities immediately. 3. Don't ignore health symptoms. Smoke inhalation can cause long-term respiratory issues. Seek medical attention if you experience difficulty breathing. 4. Avoid turning on utilities immediately. Gas leaks and electrical hazards may exist. Allow professionals to inspect first. And 5. Do not enter burned buildings. The structure may be unstable and there could be hidden embers. Wildfires are a test of nature's fury, but also a testament to human resilience. With preparation, quick action, and awareness, you can survive and rebuild stronger than ever. Remember, knowledge is power and safety is the priority. Stay informed, prepare emergency kits, and share this video for awareness. Also, check out our other videos to learn more and save lives.